Honey, why is the A+ garage door guy giving our daughter violin lessons?
He did such an amazing job on the garage door. I figured this guy could do anything.
That's not how my normal teacher plays it.
Now that's music to my ears.
If your garage door is making funny noises, call A+.